In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share design folders using Canva Pro. This process is incredibly useful for organizing your projects and collaborating seamlessly with others. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your Canva account and locate the Projects tab on your dashboard. Clicking here will take you to an overview of all your ongoing and completed projects. It's a great way to keep track of your work, and it's from here that we'll start organizing your designs into folders. Next, look for the Add New button. This option is crucial for bringing an extra layer of organization into your projects. By adding new folders, you can categorize designs for better accessibility and cleaner workspace. It helps a lot, especially if you work on multiple projects or collaborate with different teams regularly. After you click on Add New, you'll see an option to create a folder. Select that. Now comes the fun part. Naming your folder. A good naming strategy here can save you a ton of time later. Try to use a name that is intuitive and descriptive, like the project name or the type of designs it will contain. Once you've settled on a name, you'll see a Continue button. Press it to finalize the creation of your new folder. Now the folder is ready, but it's an empty shell at this point, waiting to be filled with all those beautiful designs you've created. To populate your folder, click to open it. Then select the Add Designs button. This will allow you to pull in any existing designs you have in Canva. When you hit Add Designs, a menu will appear showing your projects. Click on this to display all your designs that are currently stored in your account. Browse through your designs and decide which ones you'd like to move into your new folder. Once you've made your choice, click on those designs. Keeping your designs organized helps in managing tasks efficiently. When you've selected your designs, you'll need to click on Move. This action will transfer the chosen design straight into your new folder, creating a neat little hub for that particular project or theme. Now that your folder is organized, let's focus on sharing it. Find the Share button, which you'll locate at the top right corner of your open folder. Clicking Share allows collaboration, truly unleashing the power of Canva Pro. Type in the email address of the person you want to share this folder with. It's best to double check for any typos to ensure it reaches the right inbox. The final step is to click on Share Folder. Voila! Your design folder is now shared, bringing your collaborative efforts to life. And there you have it. You've successfully created, populated, and shared a design folder in Canva Pro. Enjoy this newfound organization and creativity boost, and until next time, happy designing.